channel. My name is M.R.E.ngineering and today I'm going to talk about some tips and precautions about using air conditioning systems. I have seen that some guys turn on the AC system just after sitting in the car and turning on the engine. Please note that when your car has been parked for a long time under the sunlight, likely the interior is humid and filled with harmful vapors of different materials. This high humidity demands more cooling from your car's AC system for condensation, and also harmful vapors are bad for your health. So first try to open the windows and turn on the blower fan and let the engine to heat up a little, and then in low to moderate engine speeds turn on the AC system, because high engine speeds can be detrimental to compressor when it starts up. And next tip is that even in cold seasons, try to turn on the AC system at least twice per month, and each time for more than 5 minutes, so the oil in the system flows into the whole system and lubricates O-rings and seals so they can retain their sealing properties. And also, before you turn off the whole AC system, try to turn off the AC compressor and let the blower fan to dry out the evaporator so funguses and bacteria don't germinate on that. And also, under the hood, never try to check for refrigerant in the system by pricking on shredded valves, as this action won't give you any useful information and only you can damage your eyes or frostbite your fingers. And also remember that releasing refrigerants like R12 and even R134A into the atmosphere is illegal, and these gases need to be recollected and recycled by a qualified technician using special tools and equipment. And if you have a hybrid or electrical type car, be cautious about those compressors, that those orange high voltage cables are attached to them, because they are very dangerous even when the car is off. And also remember that keeping the AC system open to atmosphere for more than 10 minutes can make the dryer bottle saturated and useless. So it's highly recommended that you change the filter dryer each time a main component of the AC system like a compressor is changed on your car. And also just note that some service shops use some dyes to find the leaking point, and also there are some stop leak sealants in the market that using these products and applying them excessively can cause a blockage and other mechanical and chemical damage to the whole system. So try to stay away from these products. And finally, please note that due to normal refrigerant leakage, it's normal that your car's system loses its effectiveness after about 3 years. But there are some systems that work without any problem even after 10 years without recharging. I hope that this video was useful and informative for you and worth the precious time that you spent for watching that. Please subscribe to my channel if you like and press the bell icon to be notified if I have a new video on my channel. Bye.